Hey everybody, we are going to run through a 5-minute banded glute and hip warm-up. And I personally have been neglecting my upper glutes and my hips. And so I thought we could just do these together more often, possibly daily. I don't know, but let's jump into it. We're going to do 30 seconds for each exercise, and we're going to start in a squat. We're going to do all standing. So band is going to go around. You can either place it just above your knees or just below. And I personally like below. All right, let's get started. So we're going to start with a squat. So you're going to keep your legs between your hip and shoulders. Knees over your feet. And tension on the band always. So you're going to abduct through those hips. And you're going to squat down to where your thighs are parallel with the floor. If you can't go all the way to parallel, you can stop up top. Just make sure that you're engaging your muscles and using them, okay? So we're going to stay here for a second round. So we're just making sure we keep the tension on the band, which is going to keep tension in our hips. All right, we're going to stay down here, and you're going to do a little abduct out and come back up. Stay down, abduct out, back up. Make sure your back is flat, which means your spine is neutral. All right, now we're going to do some lateral band walks. So you're going to push through your grounding leg, and you're going to walk side to side. I think I'm going to do 3, 2, 3, and keep it going. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to kind of stay up a little bit straight so we get these back glutes a little bit more, really engage in the hips. We're going to keep going for another 30. Can't remember if I'm doing 3 in a row or not. But anyway, make sure you're pressing through the grounding leg. Keep tension on the band, and make sure that your knees are staying out. You're not caving those knees in. It's the most important part. All right, let's go into another spot. Ready? Abduct the knees out. Whoop. Keep them over the feet, and they can absolutely go over the toes. That's fine. It completely depends on your anatomy. All right, squat and lift. This is where you need to keep your back flat. And we're going to do that again. Stay down low, and we're going to abduct out. We're going to actually stay down here. Hold the squat position. In and out. And we're pressing out as far as we can. Make sure. Keep the pressure in your heels too. I don't think I mentioned that. All right. And now we're going to do our lateral band walks again. Out to the side. Tuck that pelvis. And I like to go 3 by 3, or you can do whatever length you have available to you. You can move a little quicker. Make sure to ground through the supporting leg though. All right, let's go back into squats. Okay, so make sure those knees are pressed out over the feet. Squat down and come back up. Pull those low abs in. Keep that spine nice and long, including your neck. Hold, and we're just going to hold right here the whole time. Keep that belly pulled in. Low abs. You can imagine your belly button to your spine. That one seems to be a good one for people to imagine.